Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel of food enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the sizzling world of kitchen appliances. Fork and knife with plate specifically, we'll be exploring the top 5 best air fryers in 2024, the secret weapons behind guilt-free crispy delights. But wait, there's more. Stick around till the end, because we've got a surprising twist that'll leave your taste buds tingling. Let's get frying. Fire. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 Dual-Zone Flexbasket Air Fryer. If you're tired of greasy meals but still crave that crispy goodness, this appliance might just be your new kitchen superhero. Let's get cooking. Body, Flexbasket, the ultimate cooking flexibility. The Flexbasket is where the magic happens. Use the divider to cook with two 3.5 QT baskets for foods that require different cooking times or temperatures. Or, remove it to have one megazone for the full 7 QT capacity. Perfect for those family gatherings or when you're hosting friends. 7 QT megazone, feed the whole crew. The 7 QT megazone unlocks the ability to cook larger proteins in meals. Imagine air frying a whole chicken or whipping up a batch of crispy chicken tenders, all in one basket. No more batch cooking, just deliciousness for everyone. Alzone technology, no more waiting around, say goodbye to back-to-back cooking. With dual-zone technology, you can cook 2 foods 2 ways simultaneously. Use the Smart Finish feature or sync settings across both zones with Match Cook for that full 7 QT capacity experience. Family-sized capacity, cook for the whole clan. The 7 QT large air fryer is perfect for families or entertaining. Fit up to 2 pounds of air-fried ingredients in each 3.5 QT basket or go big with a 4 pounds pork roast and veggies in the 7 QT megazone. No more hungry bellies. 6-in-1 versatility. Beyond air frying, the English Ninja DZ071 isn't just an air fryer. It's your kitchen multitasker. Choose from 6 functions: air fry, air broil, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Save money and counter space while exploring new culinary horizons. Conclusion: so there you have it, foodies. The English Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 Dual-Zone Flexbasket Air Fryer, your ticket to guilt-free, crispy deliciousness. Number 4, Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10 Quart 6-in-1 Dual-Zone XL2 Basket Air Fryer. If you're tired of greasy meals but still crave that crispy goodness, this appliance might just be your new kitchen superhero. Let's get cooking. Body, flexible cooking with 2 independent baskets. The XL version of the original air fryer brings you 2 independent baskets. Say goodbye to back-to-back cooking like a traditional single-basket air fryer. Now, in larger 5-quart baskets, you can cook 2 foods 2 ways at the same time. Perfect for those busy weeknights. Smart Finish Match Cook technology. The dual-zone technology gives you options. Choose the Smart Finish feature to cook 2 foods that finish at the same time. Or go for the Match Cook feature, which easily copies settings across zones for full 10 QT capacity meals. No more juggling timers. IQ boost for efficient cooking. The English Ninja DZ401 optimally distributes power across each basket. Imagine cooking a 6 pounds whole chicken inside as quickly as possible. When Match Cook or Smart Finish isn't selected, this IQ boost ensures efficient cooking. IQ boost for efficient cooking. The English Ninja DZ401 optimally distributes power across each basket. Imagine cooking a 6 pounds whole chicken inside as quickly as possible. When Match Cook or Smart Finish isn't selected, this IQ boost ensures efficient cooking. Quick, easy, and perfect for those large family meals. How about 8 pounds of chicken wings? Yes, please. Conclusion: so there you have it, foodies. The English Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10 Quart 6-in-1 Dual-Zone XL2 Basket Air Fryer, your ticket to guilt-free, crispy deliciousness. Number 3, the Instant Vortex Plus 6 QT XL Air Fryer. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. 6-in-1 functionality. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a culinary Swiss Army knife. Whether you're broiling, roasting, or baking, this gadget has got you covered. The 6-in-1 functionality means more meals with less clutter. Even Crisp technology, say goodbye to soggy fries. The Even Crisp technology ensures each bite is perfectly golden. It's like having a chef in your kitchen, ensuring crispy, tender results every time. One-touch smart programs. With the one-touch smart programs, cooking's never been easier. Want wings or roasted veggies? Just a tap away. It's like having a sous chef who knows exactly what you want. Fast preheating, impromptu guests? No worries. The fast preheating feature means you can go from frozen to fabulous in minutes. It's time-saving without sacrificing taste, easy cleanup. The aftermath of cooking can be daunting, but not with this air fryer. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and tray make cleanup a breeze. More time to enjoy your meal. Conclusion: the Instant Vortex Plus is a game-changer for busy food lovers. Its compact design, easy cleanup, and versatile cooking options make it a must-have. Number 2. The GoWISE USA 3.7 Quart Programmable Air Fryer, Model GW22638. If you're craving fried foods but not the calories, stick around as we explore this sleek black gadget that promises crunch without the oil. Rapid air technology. First up, let's talk about the star feature, rapid air technology. This nifty innovation circulates hot air to perfectly fry your snacks. You can munch on your favorite treats guilt-free, knowing there's little to no oil involved. 8 cook presets, ease of use. With 8 cook presets, this air fryer is a dream for quick meals. Whether you're in the mood for crispy fries, juicy chicken, or even a delicate cake, just tap a button and let the fryer work its magic. Digital screen. The digital screen is a game changer, offering precision with temperature control ranging from 170°F to 400°F. Set the timer for up to 30 minutes and experiment with recipes from the web or your own kitchen playbook. Ready indicator. No more guessing if your food is done. The ready indicator beeps 5 times to announce your dish is cooked to perfection. Plus, the fan halts shortly after, ensuring your meal is ready to enjoy immediately. Recipe book included. Lastly, the included recipe book is a treasure trove with 50 recipes tailored for this air fryer. From breakfast to dessert, it's your guide to exploring new dishes or perfecting the classics. Conclusion. In conclusion, the GoWISE USA air fryer is a must-have for any modern kitchen. It's user-friendly, versatile, and comes with everything you need to start a healthier frying journey. Happy cooking! Number 1. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro Smart 5.8 QE. If you're tired of greasy, unhealthy meals but still crave that crispy goodness, this air fryer might just be your new best friend. Let's get cooking. Body, app voice control. Imagine controlling your air fryer from the comfort of your couch. Well, with the free VSync app, you can adjust temperature, cooking time, and even get notifications on your phone. Plus, if you're feeling extra fancy, activate voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Hands-free cooking? Yes, please. 200 online recipes presets. No more recipe books cluttering your kitchen counter. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro comes with 200 ever-growing recipes accessible through the VSync app. From crispy chicken wings to guilt-free sweet potato fries, this air fryer has got you covered. Just click on the recipe, and voila, flawless meals every time. Scan to cook. Ever stood in front of the freezer, wondering how to cook that bag of frozen goodies? Well, the VSync app has your back. Simply scan the barcode, and it'll give you easy-to-follow cooking instructions. Plus, you'll get a peek at the nutrition facts. No more guessing games. 85% less oil. Craving those golden onion rings or crispy mozzarella sticks? The Cosori air fryer lets you indulge without the guilt. It uses 85% less oil than traditional deep frying methods. So, go ahead, meet your health goals while still enjoying your favorite comfort foods. 12 cooking functions. Variety is the spice of life, right? Well, this air fryer agrees. Choose from 10 customizable cooking presets, whether you're baking, roasting, or air frying. And don't forget the handy preheat and keep warm functions. Perfect results every single time. Conclusion. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro Smart 5.8 QD is more than just an appliance, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to messy oil splatters and hello to healthier, tastier meals. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.